Have you ever felt overwhelmed managing your own bookkeeping? You are not alone. Many business owners struggle to keep up with the complexity of handling financial internally. And today, I am going to talk about bookkeeping service versus do it yourself. Let's go. Welcome back to our channel, Irene Consulting Firm, where we empower small and medium businesses like yours with essential financial insights. My name is Irene. Today, we are diving into a critical question. Should you hire a bookkeeping service or do it yourself? Let's break down the facts and myths. Bookkeeping involves much more than just recording receipts and payments. It's about managing your cash flow, complying with regulation, and making strategic business decisions. For someone not trained as a bookkeeper, this can become overwhelming and highly time-consuming. Let's explore the benefit of professional bookkeeping. Not only does it save you time, but it also ensure accuracy in your financial reports, provide valuable financial insights, and help in strategic planning and tax preparation. Consider the story of John. John from XYZ company. After switching to a professional bookkeeping service, he not only saved 20% on operation costs, but also doubled his business growth within a year. In conclusion, why do-it-yourself bookkeeping may seem cost-effective? The long-term benefits and cost saving from professional saving bookkeeping service are far superior. It's an investment in your business future. I would love to hear your thoughts and experience with bookkeeping. Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Let's unlock financial success together. Thank you so much for watching and be blessed.